Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gayatri's Chemistry. Today our topic is preparation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. How we prepare aromatic aldehydes and ketones? By using toluene, that is Itard's reaction. Itard's reaction is very important. Let's begin the topic. See, when toluene this is toluene treated with chromyl chloride. Toluene treated with chromyl chloride. Two molecules of chromyl chloride in presence of CS2 or carbon tetrachloride. In presence of CS2 or carbon tetrachloride, here it forms a unstable product. Here it forms the unstable product. See how this is formed. This is a toluene. I have drawn the structure of toluene. CH, H, H. This is toluene treated with two molecules of chromyl chloride. What is this? This is a chromyl chloride. When toluene treated with two molecules of chromyl chloride, see this is the structure of chromyl chloride. O, Cl, Cl plus O, chromium, Cl, Cl. When one hydrogen along with this chromyl chloride complex, another hydrogen along with this chromyl chloride complexes form unstable. This is unstable chromyl complex. Unstable chromyl complex. It is brown in color. What happens when toluene, see CH3 treated with two molecules of chromyl chloride, one hydrogen atom with one chromyl chloride molecule, another hydrogen atom along with another chromyl chloride molecule form unstable product. C O Cr Cl2 OH. Another O Cr Cl2 OH formed here. When decomposes with water, here when it decomposes with water, what happens? It is removed. The chromium along with chlorine and oxygen removes. So the remaining product is on benzene, two OH groups are present. Diol. On benzene, two OH diol groups are present. When water is removed from this OHH, removed as water molecule, our final product is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. See, when toluene treated with two molecules of chromyl chloride, see one hydrogen with one chromyl chloride, another hydrogen atom with another chromyl chloride molecule forms unstable chromyl complex which decomposes with water. All these removed and two hydrogen molecules also removed, and the remaining product is two diols, in which two diols H2O is removed and the benzaldehyde is formed. Here what happens? From toluene benzaldehyde is formed, oxidation takes place. See, toluene CH3, two hydrogen atoms are removed and one oxygen is added. So in Itard's reaction, oxidation of a toluene takes place. Next, formation of benzaldehyde by Gattermann-Koch reaction. I hope you understand the Itard's reaction. In Itard's reaction, toluene is oxidized in presence of two molecules of chromyl chloride to form benzaldehyde. Next one is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. See what happens here. In Gattermann-Schwarz reaction, when the carbon monoxide treated with HCl, when carbon monoxide treated with HCl, here forms carbon, oxygen, HCl. When benzene is treated with this carbon monoxide along with HCl, that is HCOCl, here we form in presence of cuprous chloride and aluminum trichloride, anhydrous aluminum trichloride and cuprous chloride form benzol dehyde plus HCl. In Gattermann-Schwarz reaction, when benzene is treated with, what is this benzene? When benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and cuprous chloride to form benzol dehyde, and HCl is removed as a byproduct. What happens here? See, this is a benzene. In benzene, here one hydrogen is removed as H plus. This hydrogen along with Cl minus, HCl is removed. This hydrogen H plus along with chlorine Cl minus removed as HCl. So if H plus is removed, here we get negative charge. To this negative charge carbon, see, if Cl minus is removed, this carbon get positive. To this negative carbon, positive carbon COH is attached to form benzol dehyde. I hope you understand the reaction in benzene. If one hydrogen removed along with Cl removed as HCl, so we get here negative charge. When Cl minus removed from here, the carbon get positive charge. This positive carbon and this negative carbon attached to form benzol dehyde. This is Gattermann-Schwarz reaction. From benzene, how benzol dehydes are formed in presence of carbon monoxide and the HCl. Next, preparation of acetophenone. From Friedel-Crafts reaction. From the Friedel-Crafts reaction. See what happens here in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Acetophenone is formed. What is formed? Acetophenone. How acetophenone is formed? See, benzene when treated with See, when benzene or aromatic hydrocarbons are treated with acetyl chloride in presence of aluminous trichloride to form acetophenone and HCl is removed. Here also in Gattermann-Koch reaction, I have already told you the mechanism. Here also same mechanism follows. See, from benzene, one hydrogen is removed as H plus. This hydrogen along with this Cl minus chlorine goes as HCl. So when H plus is removed, carbon get negative charge. When Cl minus is removed, carbon get positive charge. So this negative carbon, positive carbon attached to form COCH3. This is ketone. Here we form the aromatic ketone, that is acetophenone. What is Friedel-Crafts reaction? Benzenes are treated with acetyl chloride in presence of aluminum trichloride to form aromatic ketones, that is acetophenone. I hope you understand the reaction. Thanks for watching my channel.